guys, it's Miss Merkins Pepper. Today we will make a homemade ice cream. This is the things we need. Things we need ice mold for the ice cream,
Let us show this to guys. We bought this yesterday, guys.
and this
Ice drop mold.
and this
There
is
are the tools or the
mixer.
So this is the mixing bowl,
And this is the spatula.
spatula, and the plate where you need to put all those things.
Yes.
So that everything.
And
will
the
not get
ingredients
messy.
are condensed milk, I think.
Ingredients are condensed milk,
Alaska crema.
cream, and the chocolate chips.
Chips.
Ate Shasha will put chocolate chips.
So this is the first.
Okay, so let's get started. You pour it all.
Spread.
Pour it all. Okay.
Why is it so
Simutin mo.
smelly? What does it smell?
What's the smell?
Yummy. I wanna eat it.
Next is
The condensed milk.
the condensed milk. We'll just put half. Okay, so it's not so matamis. Okay.
And then chocolate chips is later.
We will put the chocolate chips later. Okay, so you have to mix that, guys. This is not the proper way.
Okay, I get it. It looks like kapigatas.
You have to mix it well, be.
So guys, we will cut it because it's non-stirring now.
We're done stirring.
Yes. Cut it.
Cut the ice mold because that will be the shape of our ice cream. Okay.
Ice mold. Cut. Hold up.
This is ice mold.
Take out this.
Yeah. So Ate Shasha will wash it off, guys.
Looks so beautiful.
Yeah. Hugasan mo na to, ate. Okay, you wash this.
Is it morning aboy? So guys, we're done cleaning the mold in this. So we will put this and these chocolate chips.
All you need to have is this.
Yes, give it to me.
It's what we call kucharon. Slightly pour water. Yeah. No. Can you do it, ate? Yeah, dahan-dahan lang po. Because we're making ice cream. Be careful not to make the dahan-dahan natin. I-spill siya. Mama will. Sayang kasi anak ng gatas. You have to stand, ate. Stand ka. Like this, mama. Tumayo ka kasi hindi ka makaupo. Wait na. Stand up. So, do not fill it kasi we're going to pour chocolate. Yes. It will spill once you put many So, have an allowance for the chocolate chips. So, okay natin. So, ito lagi si chocolate chips. Bali yan dito. So, ate siya started to pour the chocolate chips. Kung mali yung discarding mo, kasi dapat awin agoy po already eh. Diba? Dapat kanina ka pa naglagay eh. Kasi parang pinisa siya eh. Kaya, i-try ka na. Ganun, para lumubog siya. Para lumubog. Yun na, lagyan. Pag punong-puno na yung tulong, dapat kanina ka pa nag-pour ng Okay? Before you put the dapat naglagay ka na. Kasi nagyan na siya ng cover. Tayo ilalagay na namin guys sa ref. And let's see the result. Okay. So, let's go, ate.
Open the ref.
Ate Shasha is about to...
Where should we put it?
You put it here. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi matapon. Yan.
We'll see in part 2.
Siguro ko in 2 hours. Gana na.
Dapat 2 hours.
Okay. See you later. Ice cream. Guys, Ate Shasha has an excess cream also. So, yan. Nilagay natin sa Tupperware, guys. Tupperware. We have Tupperware. Dito. Tupperware Kasi pa yung isa doon. No.
Mm.
Ay, ubusin mo na to ate dito.
This.
Ayan. Gamitan mo ng spatula later, ha? Careful. Careful. Use the spatula ate. So, ano?
Spatula?
Simot. Opo. Para mag-simot niyan, spatula lang gamitin. Huwag man sa mantel. Can make simot eh. Nabibend yung kutsara na yun natin. Simutin mo siya. That spatula is bendable. Yan. Diba? That's spatula. That's the difference of the spatula to other ano. Pwede mo siyang simutin around the mixer. Kasi yung isa, sabi ko dapat ano, sobrang tigas na dapat. Kasi ano, para dumikit din sa istikati ha. Kasi baka pag hindi pa sobrang tigas, may iwan man lang yun, di ba? Yes, yes. Yan guys, so tamang-tama yung mga Tupperware dito na ano ko. Eating homemade ice cream. Simot